Welcome back. I'm Allison and this is Wonder Crochet. Today we will be making a cute cupcake like this, but I am going to have a random generator choose the yarn colors that we will be using. So it won't look like this. I got this new pom-pom yarn from Premier Yarns and it has these really pretty colorful speckles in it. So I thought it would be perfect for the icing on the cupcake and maybe the cake too. The generator will tell us. The pattern for the cupcake and also the link to get this yarn are both linked in the description. If you'd like to learn how to crochet amigurumi from the very beginning, I have a full online course and that is linked in the description as well. It teaches you from the very beginning how to crochet plushies and how to do it well. So let's jump in. So I have my wheel here. I'll put it on the screen so you can see it. First, we will be picking the color for the base part, so like the wrapper of the cupcake. And the options that I put in are blue, yellow, purple, green, pink, and orange. And you can see all the colors right here. So let's spin the wheel and see what we get. I'm kind of hoping for blue. And we got purple, which is a great choice too. And we'll be using this lilac purple, which I really love the color of this. And again, all this yarn is going to be linked in the description. Next, we'll be spinning for the cake part, so the part that's under the icing. And for this one, I chose just random colors. So I have the yellow pom-pom yarn, blue pom-pom, pink pom-pom, and then blue, green, tan, black, pink, and orange, because what's life without a little risk? So let's spin it. I kind of hope that I get one of the pom-pom colors just because I think that would be fun. And we got the yellow pom-pom. I'm actually really excited for this. And lastly, we will be spinning for the icing color. And for this one, I put all of the pom-pom colors in. I'd be fine with any of them. I just don't want the gray one. So let's spin and see what we get. We got white pom-pom, which is probably the best thing that we could have gotten. I'm really excited for this. So here are the colors that we're working with. I don't think that I could have picked better myself. I was really worried with the gray and the black in there, but these colors together, this is going to be gorgeous. So let's start to make it. So we're starting with our purple yarn to make the bottom section of the cupcake. Don't worry, I'll speed this section up so we're not just staring at each other for the hour it takes me to crochet this. I am using a 5mm crochet hook, and this is the Clover Amour hooks. They're my favorite. I think they're the most comfortable. And you know, Premier Yarns are my favorite yarns. And I just love that they've been coming out with so many colors lately. Oh, real quick, let me show you the other yarns from Premier that I just got. They have this Bloom chenille line and it comes in all of these gorgeous floral colors. And it's the same as Premier Parfait Chunky. It's a size 6 chenille yarn and I love these so much. So maybe I'll do another random generator with these ones. Let me know if you want to see that. Okay, back to crocheting. Okay, I finished the bottom of the cupcake, and fun fact, I put a little piece of cardboard at the bottom just to keep this flat. If you're planning on washing this, don't do that. But I'm just taking an old box that I've cut up for other projects, and I'm going to make just a little round bottom to keep the cupcake flat. We have our cardboard circle. I really need to get better scissors. I like destroyed my hands doing that. And we'll put this the bottom of our cupcake. There it is. And now we're going to start the cake part of our cupcake, which the wheel chose this pretty yellow speckled yarn, which is fun because then it can be like a yellow cake. I'm happy and surprised that this is working out so well. I had to pause and show you how pretty this is turning out. Look at that. It looks like sprinkles. Before, when I made this one, I had to weave medium yarn in and out to create the sprinkles, and now we have this. It would have saved me so much time. Okay, we finished the cake part of our cupcake. I also noticed though, and probably because it's fluffier on the top, there's much more sprinkles on the inside. Oh well. So now I am going to attach the cake to the bottom and I'm going to stuff it as I go. I will say this polyfill that I got a 20-pound box of it because I could use a coupon. So, you know, we were saving as much money as we could. But it sheds so much more than the other ones. So let me know if you use polyfill and if you've gotten like the larger boxes, if they shed more than like the small ones, like the 5-pound or the 16-ounce one. Okay. So we have stuffed our cupcake here and I'm going to finish closing it up. I love the colors. I love how it's turning out. So next I am going to do the icing with the white pom-pom yarn. And of course I'm going to put a face on it, then we'll be done. The white is really pretty. It literally looks like funfetti. Now I have to make the little drips on the icing and then I'll sew it on top. We have the icing done with the little drips and now I'm going to attach it to the top of the cupcake. This is how we're looking. I haven't added a face yet. I don't even know if it needs a face because look how good that looks. I mean, you know I love a good face on amigurumi, but I'm actually loving how this is turning out. I'm definitely going to do this again. There's our finished cupcake. I had to add a face to it. Also, I am selling these face packs, these felt face packs, in my shop this Friday. So if you're into that, check it out. I really love how this turned out. Let me know what type of video you'd like to see next or if you want me to do another one of these. And give me a follow on Instagram where I post all of my new projects. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you real soon.